So we got no votes, which is sad. So we're just gonna do a random elimination, okay? Alright, so I think the first person not to be safe will be Sam. Come back here! Oh no, not you. Come back here! And then the final person safe should be Banana Joe. Oh no. Did this mean I'm eliminated? To clarify myself, yes. Oh! Wait, what the hell are you doing with me? Whoa, whoa! Great, now our host is dead. And there's no way we're gonna be competing ever again. Well, there is a way. Who the hell just said that? Yeah, I'm basically the new host. Yeah, I'm just scratching my bum right now. Oh yeah, I'm bringing more. Great, now he's dead as well. Alright, so your next contest is to... I'm dying. Somebody help me. Okay, now that I've just revived everyone, including myself. Oh crap, I forgot Sam. It's now time that you five will begin the second challenge. Alright, so the next challenge is to... what should the contest be? Oh yeah, a pretty easy one for all the laughs. Survive this explosion. Okay, so everyone's dead, but Baby Bob won, so I guess he wins.